I will start my speech in 3, 2, 1. Imagine having a homesick because the sake of education. Being a student isn't as easy as you think. You need to have a great mind without any distraction to absorb all the knowledge from the school. But it won't always be like that if we switch the learning from offline to online. As a proposition side, I support permanent move to online tertiary education. What exactly this motion speaking about? First, permanent means lasting to last unchanged, and tertiary education means formal education after high school, such as undergraduate, vocationally, university, college, etc. In this motion, we talk about education. We live in an era where education is a need. Everyone has the right to have education. And making the classes online can make the student more easy to access the classes and enter education. There is three reasons why I support moving from online to offline to online education. First, the money or fashion financially access. Having the classes online can save us more in tuition fee because we don't have the need to pay for building fee or building money. Because the classes are online, we don't also need a transportation fee. It can help the student who live not that far or not that close to the university because they just have to open their technology to enter classes. And without offline classes, you can change from books to online books, and it can save us a lot of money from changing the paper to technology. It is very good because it can save our earth because we don't have the need to use paper again. Students in general need paper for study, maybe for their project or their thesis. And as a college student, you of course have the thesis at the end of the semesters to have the graduation. But moving from paper to Microsoft to online PDF can save us a lot of paper and save our country. And lastly, we can always allocate the money for our place, renting place to stay, to our education, because you don't have to rent a place to stay nearby the college because you can study anywhere, like I said. And because we're not moving out, we as a student don't get the feeling of homesick. And student or college student in general can express their feelings by being more confident and prevent nervous stress tense by not meeting or facing someone. And next is flexibility. In education, there is two parties who play a big role in this education. First, the student, and secondly, the teacher. As a student, of course, online classes are make us feel better because we can attend the class everywhere and anytime we want. And plus, for the lecturer, if the lecturer have other business that outside our city or maybe our country or maybe other continent, we can always reschedule the classes. Maybe probably, for example, probably when you have classes this afternoon, but the lecturer or professor have another appointment and they are outside the country, you guys can confirm to have another class on another day, something like that. And can you imagine having can you imagine that you got accepted in Harvard somewhere and somehow, and you don't have the money to move to US? You can always attend the classes by online or virtual learning, even if you are overseas. It's a good thing for the student because they doesn't have to abandon their they doesn't need to abandon their for their study just because of the places that they've been. And also, if the student, there might, of course, we are as human have different kind of body. Maybe there's someone who is born paralyzed and cannot move their limbs. It can always help them by making the classes online because they don't need to have a nanny to help them move in classes. And that's why, as a proposition, I support permanent move to online tertiary education because it's better from offline studying. Thank you.